In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your resume score with Resume Worded. So the first step is to go to their official website, and then you're gonna have to upload your resume. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply choose what describe us. So if you're entry level, you're gonna have to choose that, mid-level or senior level. So I'm gonna choose entry level. Now you're gonna have to sign up for an account. So I'm gonna use one of my accounts to sign up for a free account, and now you're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up. So basically the AI will do all the work for us, and he will tell us what to improve and what we can add. So we just have to simply wait until this finishes loading up, and that's it. Basically with this app you can improve your resume. So as you can see here, you already find a lot of errors. So as you can see, overall we have a 23 score. So we can basically fix here everything. As you can see, steps to increase your score. We can see more, and this is for the free plan. If you want to unlock everything, you're gonna have to pay. But overall, that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.